25 things intelligent people never do. Number 1. People who talk less. Number 2. People who don't show off. Number 3. People who don't interrupt others while talking. Number 4. People who listen others' suggestions silently. Number 5. People who don't allow friend and neighbor interference in their family issues. Number 6. People who don't speak bad about others behind their back. Number 7. People who don't force others to do their work. Number 8. People who don't take loans to impress someone. Number 9. People who take tough responsibilities. Number 10. People who don't fight for celebs, sport players and politicians. Number 11. People who don't give advice until someone asked to them. Number 12. People who don't get trapped in marketing strategies. Number 13. People who don't fall for someone's look only. Number 14. People who step up for the next thing after breakup and failures. Number 15. People who don't waste their own time on discussing someone's personal life. Number 16. People who don't waste their whole time on social media. Number 17. People who don't care about what people talk about them either on their back or on whatever social platforms. Number 18. People who don't react suddenly, but on the right time. Number 19. People who don't get trapped in words of someone. Number 20. People who don't change their lifestyle by seeing others. Number 21. People who don't mix up their personal and professional life. Number 22. People who maintain balance between earning and spending money. Number 23. People who don't take drugs, alcohol, tobacco products just to look cool. Number 24. People who learned the word no in the very early stage. Number 25. People who don't share their secrets, wealth, weaknesses with anyone.